Hi guys, Chris Lambert here with another unboxing video. The Siamese cat is joining us. Oh, maybe not. Wants to moon us. Okay, let's start with this one. Gonna get stuff for vehicles and bug out bags. So here we have maps. Everyone should have a map of their state in their car bug out bag. Here we got Rand McNally map, and here this one is laminated. Said you can write on it and wipe it off again, so that's a nice map. Not too big. You can see it's not going to get ruined by water, anything. Second one, that was a Rand McNally. This one is a National Geographic. These are both around $10 from Amazon. This one is a state map, easy to fold, laminated, durable, write on, wipe off. And this one is a guide map, road map and guide. Everyone thinks, you know, I'll just use my cell phone or whatever, but what if it doesn't work for some reason? No internet, no towers, or something else happens, and you need to have a paper map. So this one is supposed to be water resistant, or I don't know if it's proof or resistant. I don't know if I can pull that back. So yeah, nice maps. Put a couple of these in the car. Put a couple, you know, bug out bags. So let's see. Next one. I got it. This is the terrace. Got an atlas, nice big atlas. I don't know if you can see all that. Just a little bit higher. And this tripod I bought a while back. Top does not tilt back and forth. I don't like that. I have one coming soon where the phone holder tilts back. So detailed topographic maps. New updates, recreation sites, campgrounds, fishing from the Delorme Garmin brand, Atlas and Gazetteer. Got a lot of maps in here, detailed maps here. You got the Cherokee National Forest. Yeah, a lot of good stuff in here. So yeah, you should have, you should have an atlas, state atlas. You should have an atlas if they have of the U.S. I think they have those. That's the next one I want to get. So there we go. Atlas, maps. Put some in your vehicle. Put some in your bug out bag. Oh. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm still not at 10,000. I'm really, really close. So, okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.